ORGN stock analysis massive update for Monday and onwards. Am I buying now? Which I'll be breaking down in this quick and short 1 minute video. Now here's the key here. ORGN Materials is already kind of crashed 33%. Not like, I'm not saying this is like from like a bad intentions way or anything. It's just the truth. I had the lows marked up for that exact reason. At some point began buying, but now, you know, you can see like we shifted quite hard. And even here, you know, my timing was correct on that. So it went up phenomenally and then it shifted, which I don't doubt that the price will kind of keep giving me lower lows. So the idea here is that maybe if it does pop up, fills in the gap, that would be probably a great opportunity for me to continue to take it lower, only if it makes sense though. You know, if there's not a double break, I don't quite care. With ORGN, I also got about 3 receipts here in the Discord as well. So let me know what is your opinion, and if you want to stay tuned and get free money making emails and insights daily, then just click the first link in the description. Everything else would just rather be pure noise, something that I wouldn't be interested in. So for me to be bullish, it must start breaking above 95 cents yet again. Goodbye and enjoy.